Hello everyone, my name is Dhanashree Prakash Pargi from Division A. My roll number is 178. Now we have find the Gauss Jordan method. A equal to 133, 143, 134. Now solution. Let AI and apply the elementary row transformation. AI similarly A 133, 143, 134, 100, 010, 001. R2 R2 minus R1, R3 R3 minus R1. Similarly 133, 010, 001, 100, minus 1, 10, minus 101. R1 R1 minus 3 R2. Similarly 103, 010, 001. 4 minus 3 0, minus 1 1 0, minus 1 0 1. R1 minus 3 R3. Similarly 100, 010, 001. 7 minus 3 minus 3, minus 1 1 0, minus 1 0 1. A inverse equal to 7 minus 3 minus 3, 1 minus 1 1 0, minus 1 0 1. Thank you.